All right, well, welcome everyone. Welcome to this severe weather coverage. We're just getting ready, just coming on right now. So we are just getting ready, get ready to start the severe weather coverage right now, as of this moment. So we are both live on YouTube and Facebook as well. So please get everyone to come on in. So we're now we are now under a tornado watch for West Oklahoma and parts of Texas, including Wichita Falls, Atlas, from Norman, Oklahoma City, is now under a tornado watch. So this also right here is under a tornado watch. So far, this has not. So far, I have not seen any storms are moving in as of this moment. So that is really good. That is really good news as of this moment. So that is a lot to say on that one as part of that. But right now we do have a tornado warning that's up in that is up on up at Minnesota. I don't know if that's Minnesota. Just yeah, parts of Minnesota. Yeah, it is Minnesota. So this is now a tornado warning for that has been issued for Minnesota. That this includes what county is this one in? But Faribault, uh, Martin County. So this is a issue in Martin. This is indicated a tornado warning. We also have the line of severe thunderstorm warnings. So this tornado warning will be expired in 5 minutes. So that's really good news. We also have another tornado warning that is right up here, and this is going in for 20 minutes. So this will expire at 5:15. So as of this moment. So that being said, we have about 9 severe thunderstorms in play, and we also we're checking out this new severe thunderstorm. This is part of that tornado watch that has been issued. So this is the first storm that is moving in that has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. This is a considerable, so this is going to be expiring in 3 minutes as of this time. So that's really good news as of this moment. So right now we still have that tornado warning. So let's go. If you're watching in Minnesota, or you know, if you're in these areas, you need to get in yeah, and shove, and you need to take cover. Get into the Terry room. Uh, this also includes if you're in Panacea, Pease, and Princeton Airport, you need to be in your safe spot. That means that there could be a tornado heading your way as of this moment. So we have 2 active tornado warnings and 9 severe thunderstorm warnings and 4 flash flood warnings as of this moment. I'm gonna here in a little bit. I'm gonna get something to eat. But I will stay on for a while. I'm gonna keep it on for as of this moment. Just getting things ready as of this moment. So we now have a new warning that it just went off right now. So let me get on there and see what that warning is about, and let me load it. I gotta load some stuff up on my YouTube, my computer, my iPad actually, if I should say.
For just $10.99 each, you can mix and match
Sorry
any
about
medium
that.
two-tone.
So we have. Let's refresh that. So we have this is a new severe thunderstorm warning, and this is this severe thunderstorm that we were just talking about has been extended. So this is now going on till 5:45. So we have a new severe thunderstorm warning. This is going at 70 miles per hour. Hail at the 1.50 with ping pong size hail. So far that storm is not producing a tornado. It cannot be producing a tornado at this point. But however, it is in a tornado watch that'll be expiring in 6 hours. That goes all the way till up to Oklahoma City for until 11 o'clock tonight. That storm will be expiring, you know, for this county right here. So right now, we still have that severe thunderstorm warning, and we have that tornado warning, which that was allowed to expire. So we only had one tornado warning that is going on until 15 minutes. So, all right, we have another tornado warning that has just been issued, and this time it is for this county. This is now an automatic confirm observe tornado warning that is in for this county. So let's go look at that county right now. That's for Earth County, Fayetteville County, Wasco County. If you're in those areas, you need to take care of it right now. This is a confirmed tornado warning. I'm not 100% sure, but I have a couple of friends that live in Minnesota. I don't know if I don't know what part of Minnesota, but they moved there about I'll say about a couple years ago. So yeah, this is now a confirmed observed tornado warning, which is confirmed. So you need to be in your safe spot. You got to take cover right now. A tornado on the ground doing damage. So we have now have a tornado confirmed tornado warning. We also have a flood advisory has just been issued, and what's this for? Gainesville, that is in that Oklahoma, Texas river. So this is now a flood advisory that has been issued and it will expire at 5 o'clock a.m. So we have two active flash floods. So we have 4 flash flood warnings and severe thunderstorm warnings. We have a tornado warning. We still have those two a confirmed tornado warning and a regular tornado that's expiring in 13 minutes. So I want to go check out what it looks like. So we knowing what is going on.
Weather spots in front of final clouds.
So we want to see what is happening as of this moment. Let's try to figure out where the circulation is.
No.
There's that
Just
wall cloud. So let's see what this. Now that you can hear the siren. So that is raindrop. So they got a alert that there has been a strong wind warnings. It's been going on right now for that particular location. So you need to be in cover right now. We have this is a dangerous situation. Get to shelter right now. I'm really curious. I'm gonna find out if my friend that I know, if you have anyone knows about it. So we have It's just that I cannot stress enough. And we have another severe thunderstorm warning has just been issued. No, it's now a tornado watch. So we have a new tornado watch. It's going on right now. This is for going to down Minnesota, Iowa, parts of Missouri, and a chunk of where Kansas is. So we have a new tornado watch is now in play. So this tornado watch they have, it's been expanded except for this county, except for these parts of these counties will be expiring in less than 3 hours. So there you go. This is a new tornado watch is now in effect. That means we have to look out for what these storms look like right now. These are these storms. This severe thunderstorm is producing ping pong sized hail and 60-mile-hours per wind. And we still have this going on. So we also have a flash flood warning. This is a flash flood warning. If you know anyone in there, if you see high waters, turn around. Don't drown. It's not worth it. So this flash flood warning will be expiring in less than 3 hours. So I really can't stress enough on that. And we still have that tornado warning that's absurd. That's expired less than 40 minutes. So this is still a confirmed tornado warning. So if you have anyone that you might know, this is a very scary situation to be. You need to be in shelters. I want to see if I could try to get a video footage. See if they have a storm that's I don't see anything on this one. Nope. I don't know if that's rain or a tornado or what, but I don't know what your thoughts about that one. I don't know about if I'm probably that's rain. I'm not seeing not showing anything that is showing what is showing on here, but I bet that is a tornado right there. You might see that, but that is almost possible that we could see a tornado that could be that is on the ground doing damage. And if this warning goes on, and it's going to go to Wilton, Wakaska, so this storm is like moving so much right now. So I don't know where that. I don't know. They have updated that. This is that warrant. This has been going on since. This is moving 76 miles per hour. So you got about 540 in Wilton. If this warning keeps going, it will expand it to Wilton and Wakaza and Netta, Meriden, Deerfield. So it's supposed to be hitting at 5:50. So you got about 50 minutes. 50 minutes or less. So. We also have a new severe thunderstorm warning, and this time it's for this county right here, Iowa. This is for Clay County. and then this storm is producing a quarter-size hail, 60 miles per hour wind. And so far, there are no storms yet in Oklahoma, which that's really good news as of this moment. And this storm is moving. This storm's been upgraded to 70 miles per hour, still ping pong size hail, and still had that flash flood warning. So it is also. Let's look at the flash floods. They are this one right here. These three don't count. So we have one flash flood warning. This is indicated. So not seriously, but still be careful. Don't turn around, don't drown. It's not really worth it. But we still have these thunderstorms warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings, and we have that tornado warning that is observed, and it's producing ping pong size hail. So let's go back to that radar screen. So this has been updated. So we have. So again, it is get ready to move to. I don't know, this storm. There's like 2 cells. Oh yeah, let's look at that. Let's look at that storm. So there's that tornado right there. I think it's just like a weak tornado, nothing big. It's really moving. Yep, that looks like a tornado, but it is a really a weak tornado, not doing much damage. Not much to see on here, but I mean, but still, that is a tornado. So yeah, that is a tornado right now, and it's still a observed tornado that expires 33 minutes. So you got about 33 minutes to go on that. So, but right now there's only 8 severe thunderstorm warnings that's been issued, and we still have that considerable threat that's for Texas for these four countings. So just east of Midland, Texas. So um, and that is just moving to north of Texas, to possible Oklahoma. So that is that storm. So I'm gonna go ahead and play that what that's doing. So it is. So this is moving north, like right here, or it could be moving right here, or it could be moving right up here. So it just. I mean, time will tell on that. So. And we also have a new severe thunderstorm warning, and this time it's in Clay, Kansas County. So this is now a new severe thunderstorm warning. Also a considerable severe thunderstorm warning that's also producing golf ball size hail, 60 miles per hour, and the damaging threat is considerable. Please get in, if you're in that area, you need to get in shelter. Get your pets inside. It is a very dangerous situation to be in. So the reason why I'm going on live right now on Facebook is there is a tornado watch that is in play, potential severe weather that is going on right now, and so I'm usually there's no severe weather in Oklahoma, I don't broadcast it on Facebook. I will broadcast it on YouTube only. So So they are both going on right now on live stream right now. So we do have we do have some stuff going on right now as of this moment. So right now we do. So again, I'm glad to do severe weather coverage once again. Um, we it's been nice to have a little bit of break last week. So let's look at. So we still have that tornado warning that's going on right now. So I'm gonna do something real quick. No, that's not it. So we have seven more, two more considerable severe thunderstorm. This time it's in Iowa, so we have a new severe thunderstorm warning, and it's now considerable. If you're in those areas, you need to be in shelter as of this time. And I'm working on. I'm trying to get. I'm having a little bit technical difficulties. So we have a new tornado warning has been issued, and it's radar indicated. So I was right. So this is going for Watersville, Mooresville. If you're in Deerfield, you need to be in shelters right now. You need to take cover. You have a tornado warning that is in play right now. I'm gonna work on this real quick and figure out what's going on. I did not mean to do that. Every time. So that still indicates that this one will be expired 21 minutes, and this one will be expired 21 minutes. So that's still a confirmed tornado warning. So you need to be in shelters right now. We got about 20 more minutes until that tornado warning will expire. So we have another severe thunderstorm warning. Now it's been upgraded to considerable severe thunderstorm warning, line size hail. So if you're in those areas, you need to be in shelters right now. This is now also included that warning is in a tornado watch. So that could be produce a tornado warning. Excuse me. as of right now, I'm going to lead this radar image app. I'm going to start out with this radar right here. I got to get some things done, and then work on mowing my yard and get some things moved around here. So I will check with y'all later. So we are now tracking some storms that are heading our way. We have some storms are popping up. My lightning detector is going off as of right now. So we are now get ready. We're having storms moving in right now. So we have. So there you go. There's that lightning detector. We're detecting lightning 16 miles for my from the location that was spotted. So there is lightning in the area. So these are the storms are moving in right now. So we have one and that's close to Omogi. These are hail probability. So we have we have a severe thunderstorm warning that's producing ping pong size hail, 60 miles per hour wind. That is this is for so this is for Jackson, Oklahoma. So storms are getting ready are now moving in. So we have. So let's play this radar. So this is this storm is a possibility that can produce a tornado. So far there hasn't been any tornadoes yet in Oklahoma and Texas. So we have still had that 3 tornado warnings. The good news is that one that was allowed to expire. We still had those 3 tornado warnings that are still in play. If you're still in those areas, you need to take cover right now. But we have this severe thunderstorm warning that's still going on for 40 minutes. So we still have that going on right now as of this moment. So and we have storms are moving in right now, and that's really and increasing right now. So yeah, we do have lightning in the area. But I'm on to get loaded this up, the National Weather Service app, see what it's supposed to do. So we still, here's where we know where this is what it looks like right now. The tornado is limited for tonight. There is a total rainfall, heavy rain from Tuesday. There is no threat of a tornado that can be ruled out. So we're going to have some bad rain for next possible river flood, flash flood. It will be occurring. So please don't turn around, don't drown. But in the meantime, we still need to be mindful of what is going on. So we still have these tornado warnings, or tornadoes that we could see, and then we could have a river flood warning that going on for Tuesday into Wednesday. But that being said, this is what this is what it's supposed to look like. This is from 7 o'clock to 1 o'clock in the morning for Tuesday 1 p.m. I don't know why, how, but then we're supposed to have another storm that's in the system, but I really not much to say on that one. So, but this is that. So far we have 3 tornado warnings. This one's getting ready to be expiring in 7 minutes. Rice County, Goodhue County, Emma, Iowa, and then Palo Alto, Iowa. This one expires 22. This expires 37 minutes. We also have a severe weather statement. So. this has now been upgraded to a considerable golf ball size hail. If you're in those areas, you need to get your pets inside and take cover right now. This is that storm system that is producing some significant potential bad weather, and we still have these line of storms that is moving. So that has been increased a lot. So this is what it looks like right now. I want to go look at that tornado. What it's supposed to do as of this moment. I want to check that out. Let's see what it is doing as of this moment. So this is that tornado warning. We also have a new tornado warning. And this is also for I need to close that out. So this is also for Iowa, Costa, Emma. If you're in those areas, if you're in Bancroft, La Jolla, Lake Yards, Sweat City, you need to take cover right now. That this is a possible of a tornado that could be heading your way. So. So 4 tornado warnings, and they're all indicated. This tornado warning up here is getting ready to be expired, and then this one has about 5 hours to go. This tornado watch has about 2 hours to go. And we'll still have this. This is now this severe thunderstorm warning is a destructive. So this is a very serious situation for Studio City. 3 inches of hail, 70 miles per hour. This is a large apple size hail that you could be seeing. So this is very, very serious. So sirens should be going off in Sterling City, and so sirens should be going off as it is right now, because this severe thunderstorm is destructive. It's producing 3 apple-sized hails. So we're talking apple hail is falling. It could be you could be seeing as of this moment. So that you need to be mindful. Stay indoors. Stay inside. Take cover, because this is if you're caught out there, you're gonna get hurt. It is really bad as of this moment. So this is that hail. This is that severe hail that you could be seeing, and then this is these are the storm systems that we're talking about. Hail, apple-sized hail that could be heading your way, and this storm is 17 minutes, but this is a very dangerous threat situation as of this time. So we have as of this time. So we also have a new tornado warning. I didn't even know about that. So this is now a new tornado warning. This also goes for Wango, Apazu, Westro, Bell Creek, White Crock, Vesa, Goodhue, so in Zabara. So this is for Goodhue County and Rice County. So once again, your now your tornado warning has been extended as of this time. So if you're in those areas, you need to get in shelters right now. So far there is a tornado warning as of this time. And then we gotta look at this storm right here. This is This is very concerning. So because this is a considerable threat. This is that line of circulation rotations. So this is possible a tornadic that could be heading your way as of this moment. I wanted to look at that weather what it's doing as of this time. So let me look at this. Um, so so that is for yeah, that right there is a tornadic right there. That is a tornadic. What you are seeing right here is a tornadic. I had let me put it on that. Let me find that screen. Um, so yeah, this is that tornadic. That is a tornadic that is producing. So possible of a tornado that could be tornado warning that could be issued for in for I think it's Jackson, Oklahoma. Jackson, maybe. So if you have and also a South Dakota has a severe thunderstorm warning, at least two. But going back to this, I am really curious. So this is Texas because this is yeah, this is Texas, but it's moving to Oklahoma. So you could have, we could be seeing a possible of a tornado that could be heading your way. So just please be careful because that cell right there is possible a tornado. I want to see what the Vallejo City the Storm Tracks was doing as of this time. So that is definitely circulations as of this moment that we could see a possible of a tornado that it could be developed as of this moment. So as of right now, it has not been issue a severe thunderstorm warning yet, but or a tornado warning. Pardon me. So so that is a possible of a tornado. It could be that it could be developed. It could be issued. And we also have another severe thunderstorm warning has just been issued. We also have still had that flash flood that's going on in another another 2 hours that will be allowed to expire. So we have another severe thunderstorm warning. So we have 11 severe thunderstorm warnings and 3 tornado warnings as of this moment. So let me close that out and then. So I don't know what's going. Let's see what that's all about. I don't see anything going on. So we have another severe thunderstorm warning. So and then 14 active tornado watches. So the good news is there's no PDS tornado watch as of this moment. So we still have this going on that is considerable. Maybe that has just been an expense now. That's still showing. That is still showing Texas as of this moment. So yeah, this is the one I was talking about. So this is that severe thunderstorm warning that it could possibly be produced of a tornado. So we have another one. So we have another one right here that could be a tornado. These two cells we could see a tornado. So I am getting a little bit concerned about that having a tornado that could be issued in Oklahoma and for Jackson, Oklahoma, that could be issued a tornado warning as of this moment. So these are the two cells could be producing a tornado warning that was just reported 10 minutes ago. That is just moving. That could be moving right now. It's moving right now. So at 6:06, it should be get ready to cross the border. It should be crossing the Oklahoma at 6:16. This guy right here will be crossing at 6:36. So that will be in Hess, Oklahoma, and then Elmore, Oklahoma, and then Almosti in Oklahoma. So this just got an update. So this is still showing that it could be a tornado as of this moment. And then we also had two new severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued for Ballin, Homey, South Dakota. As of this time, we still have that. So we have 11 severe thunderstorm warnings been applied. Especially this one is a destructive severe thunderstorm warning. So far, they've still had these 3 tornado warnings are still issued. This one's getting ready to be expired in 9 minutes, and then these will be expired in 24 minutes. So as of this time, so what this means, I don't know what that means. The good news. What's the good news about that storm? Let's see what it's doing. Let's still see what it's showing. So this is still showing a tornado. So these still are possible a tornado that could be it could be issued as of this moment. So so that it'd be moving. So Elmore will be moving in 38 minutes. Hess, Oklahoma, will be 41 minutes, and that cell will be moving in 53 minutes. So please be ready. And then in this storm right here, has now moved to Oklahoma. Get ready to move to Oklahoma. It has already moved to Oklahoma. I think it's already moved to Oklahoma. Creta, Oklahoma, got about 24 minutes. So here we go. We have a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for. Let's see. Let's get to it. Tubman County and Jackson County has been expand. So this is for Oklahoma County in Oklahoma. So this is a new. We have a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Tillman, Oklahoma, and Jackson, Oklahoma. This is a considerable threat that maybe that you could have a possible of a tornado that could be heading your way. This is that cell. I've been tracking this cell. It's moving at 6:21, and Atlas you got about till 6:41, and then Coastal Blair it'd be at 6:51. So as of right now, there that has not been issue a tornado warning as of this moment. So right now there's no confirmed tornado warning, no observed tornado warning, which that's really good news for right now for Minnesota and Iowa. So this is now moving. So this is gonna be moving. This storm will be moving up here, so it won't be moving down here. But like I said, we did have some storms that popped up as of right now. Let's go back to that. So these are the storms that is moving, and then let's play this. We'll see what. So we also got some rain that's moving to northeast of us right now. So there's that storm that is moving. So it is moving to Oklahoma City as of this time. It is, but it's still this radar is still shifting. That is saying it will be moving north a little bit northern as of this time. We do have some. There's those thunderstorms as of this time. So as of this time. So that being said, I don't know what don't know what that's going to do from now on. We just have another severe thunderstorm warning has just been issued. This is for the Kansas. So this is now a severe thunderstorm warning, and it's for Winooki, Kansas, Panautowee, Kansas, and Riley, Kansas, and it's also a considerable. So this one is going to be going for until 7 o'clock tonight. That severe thunderstorm warning will be expired. So we have 2 active severe thunderstorm warnings. So and then we have 3 active tornado warnings in Minnesota, Iowa, 16 severe thunderstorm warnings, and then 1 flash flood warning. So those are like, I don't know why these are considered. So this one is also a rainfall warning. So and that's associated. So we have 1 tornado warning that has allowed to be expired. So we only got about 20 minutes till Good Hood to be expired, and then Iowa to be expired. So I want to go back to this sale. What is going on? I'm hoping this will be allowed to be weakened. Good news, it is weakening. It is now just downgraded to high winds as of this moment. So this is now high winds. It's been weakening. But like I said, this could be a cycle. So that's really good news as of this moment. So I mean, I would still be careful with this because anytime. So these the rounds means it's high winds, and the upside down triangle means it's a tornadic could be heading your way. So that being said, I mean, things could be the worst. Oh, we have a special weather statement. So this is that thunderstorms has been some minor hail damage, gusty winds. So that's interesting stuff. So what's going on for tonight is there is a chance of storms could be heading overnight, beginning at 1 o'clock. So please, the thing is, don't be scared. Be prepared. And as you can see, it is now weakening. So that's really good news. It's really these storms have really calmed down, but it's still considerable. Doesn't mean it's safe to come out anyway. So there's no possible tornado, which that's really good news as of this moment. So and then we got about 2 more minutes to that. That severe thunderstorm warning destructive will allowed to be expired. So that which includes Apple large size of hell. This is the new one that has just been an issue. So, and then we have about an hour 45 minutes to that flash flood to be expired. So, tornado warnings go expire 15 minutes. Still radar indicated, which means it's not been confirmed. And then we have 15 severe thunderstorm warnings, and this one's going in 1 in 30 minutes. We just got another severe thunderstorm warning. I don't know if that's a severe thunderstorm warning or what. It is a severe thunderstorm warning. It still hasn't been in play yet, but so yeah, that was a severe thunderstorm warning. So we just so these are high winds now, which that's really good news. Like I said, these were going to be a tornado, but it's really, but like I said, this could be this could cycle. So this is now weakening, so that's really good news. That doesn't mean if that we're safe having a tornado. But I'm gonna get off for a little bit, and I'm gonna leave this radar image up, and I'm gonna take a little break. So we got some good news that tornado warning was allowed to be expired, but it's been there's a new tornado warning has been issued. So ready? I'll be right back. Alrighty, everyone, welcome back. I'm just checking on this weather. We have a severe thunderstorm warning. It is in effect for Kaiwa Gear, and then we also have that one for Tillman, Kyoto, Komochi, and then we have that Jackson Tillman until 10 minutes. So Wisconsin is possibly facing a tornado. We had that one tornado warning, and this is in Kansas. So this is radar indicated with ping pong size hail. If you're in those areas, if you're in that area, please take cover. This is for Dixon, Kansas. So if you're in Dixon, Kansas County, if you're in that area, you need to be in cover right now. So right now, let's go back to Oklahoma. We have a severe thunderstorm warning for that storm right here that is in effect. So the good news is there's that cell that it's that same storm that we just broadcast watching that could be producing a bad weather as of this time. So as of right now, there is no. So anyway, I'm be right back for a little bit. So anyway, so we are tracking some ping pong size hail that's 60 miles per hour for that warning, and then we also tracking quarter size hail, and this is a lime size hail. So we're talking about lemon or lime size hail. This is considerable that expires in 21 minutes. So, and then we're tracking some storms. There's some rain right here, and there's those storms that's moving away. So that's really good news right there as of this moment. And we have that tornado warning that is in play for at least for 21 minutes. Again, Horse Squad 3000 was wanting to know. I'm really sorry about that delay. I didn't know. I've been trying. I mean, I'm running both the monitors at the same time and Facebook at the same time. I'll answer. I try to answer your questions. I posted on my YouTube channel, and if you are hearing this, Horror Squad 3000, I'll get with you right now. So this is Illinois. I don't know where you're at. But where are you at in Illinois? So I'm gonna lock in, light up. So this is for you. Illinois is in a slight risk, migrational, and you have general thunderstorms. So and then some have enhanced risk severe weather. So that's for that. And then going on day two. Let me get you day two. So this is day two. So you are also south of Illinois is south risk and migrational, and then general thunderstorms. So and enhanced risk is in Ohio, Pennsylvania, and New York are also in high risk. So some are in the migrational and slight risk, which I'm also in a slight risk of severe weather. So that's for tomorrow. But we're going back to this one. So hopefully you got my message. I'm sorry about that for that inconvenience. So I wanted to. So you're welcome to go replay that. It is the time of that is. So I was just telling you about that. That was about 2 hours and 15 minutes that I did talk about that. So but right now we are now have a new tornado warning has been issued, and it's for Minnesota. So this is not. So Minnesota is not even under a tornado watch. So this is a new tornado watch that's been issued, and it's been radar indicated with ping pong sized hail, and this severe thunderstorm is producing a tornado as well. So this storm system that I was not even in a tornado, not even a tornado watch or severe thunderstorm watch. So this is a new tornado warning, and it goes in effect until 8 o'clock tonight. So if you're in Atkin and Crow Wing, Minnesota, you need to take cover right now. That goes for Mission. Goes for Casa, Palisade. If you're in that area, you need to take cover right now. So you have a possible of a tornado that it could be heading your way as of this time. So please take cover right now. You are under a tornado warning as of this moment. So. And then we also have so something just come up. We also have a flash flood warning. So this is a observed flash flood warning. This is the one we need to be more serious about. So this is an observed flash flood warning. So this is producing heavy rain with 2-3 inches of rain falling. Additional rainfall amounts 1-2 inches. So flash, causes by thunderstorms. Please, I can't stress enough. If you're in that area, please don't. If you see high flood water, turn around. Don't drown. I can't stress you enough of having being involved in a flash flood. I had a lot of people in Oklahoma. There were fatalities were made in that, which is a sad situation. Please, it's not worth it. Please, turn around. Don't drown. you're gonna have to make special arrangements for that. It is not worth it. So please take appropriate actions. What you need to do to avoid that. Avoid that. So I really can't stress you enough. So my wife just texted me and she was playing basketball. There's no basketball goal. I'll be darned. But yeah, please be mindful of that. Let's go back to this tornado warning that's in effect. Still going on for another for 44 minutes. So if you have questions, hit me up on Facebook, and if you have questions on, and hit me up on Facebook and YouTube. I will be glad to. I would love to answer your all's questions as it is time. So if you want to know what, if you want to know where you are watching, or knowing where you need to go, what you need to do, and feel free to ask questions. But in the meantime, I am tracking this tornado as of this time that expires 43 minutes. Guys, this is again. It's tornado warnings can happen regardless if there is no tornado watch or severe thunderstorm watch. So I can't believe that really happened. So we now have active. So far we have 9 active severe thunderstorm warnings. So as of this time, so sorry. So my wife was just texting me. She was going for a walk. I need to go for a walk. I need to start running again too. So I got a Rooster Days run coming up, and I gotta get ready for that too. And also, they have a severe thunderstorm warning. So So we're now tracking some storms are considerable, damaging threats with golf ball size hail. The good news is that tornado warning has not been upgraded to confirmed. They just now issue more tornado watches, and it's being expanded. And then this tornado watch is about 3 hours to go. So that's really good news. So we're tracking some storms up, and they're not bad, not severe, but there is some. This is a considerable threat. We also have this one. They're both golf ball size hail. So far we still have 19 active severe thunderstorm warnings. And we also have that possible of a tornado that is right here that is producing. So that is a tornado could be developed suddenly. So is this one down here, and then this storm has a chance of producing a tornado. And then there's so far that these storms has not been produced of a tornado. So that's really good news on that. So I'm gonna have to close this out and reboot it. I hate when this happens. So let me do that real quick. I wish they could fix that problem. So there we go. guys here in a little bit. So we have a confirmed tornado warning. For Clare, Wisconsin. If you're in Wisconsin, you need to take care right now. You have a possible tornado on the ground doing damage. So we got some more considerable thunderstorms. This will be expired 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's go look at my weather station. Let's see what it's doing. It is 75 degrees. And the barometer pressure is falling. So this is now 20.86. It is falling barely. It has this lightning last 2 hours, so that's really good news. And look how much rain that we have. We already have almost 8 inches, and then we're coming out 11 for the year. So it's been pretty decent. So come on, I want to see what my that's my backyard. I'm gonna have to mow. So Floodwatch will be active till May the 1st. I'm gonna get this back on. So we have another tornado warning is getting ready to be issued. And there it is. And it's radar indicated. So it has been expanded to extended and expand. For Wisconsin. And then Chippewa. So if you're in those areas, you need to take over right now. And they issue a severe thunderstorm warning, which that could possibly produce a tornado. and it's for Clark, Wisconsin. So this is now that tornado warning that has been issued, and it goes in effect until 8:45. That will be expiring. So now we're back to 3 active tornado warnings as of right now. And if you're in Clark, Wisconsin, you need to take cover right now. That goes for Willard, Greenwood, Logwood, Rexburg. If you're in that area, you need to take cover. So there's that tornado that is on the ground doing damage. Be ready to be expired in 8 minutes. So this has not been a confirmed tornado warning, but you are now in a tornado warning as of this moment. So you need to take cover right now. And then we also have another flash flood warning, and we also have an observed flash flood warning. So we have 3 flash flood warnings are in effect. That one in Texas was allowed to be expired. We also have a flash flood warning that has been issued, and then this time it's it's in Jackson, Oklahoma. So, like I said, if you're in those areas, you need to take. If you're in those areas, there's water. You need to turn around. Don't drown. It's not worth it. Like I said, there's been the fatalities are serious about it. So, please, don't take the chance. Turn around. Don't drown. If you have families or friends, spread the word. So I am going to be keep an eye on this. There's only about 4 minutes left to that tornado warning to be observed. Tornado warning should be expiring soon. And then there's also that this one has been upgraded to a confirmed tornado warning. So this is going on in effect. There is a tornado on the ground doing damage. If you're in Fairchild, Augusta, Wilson, Stanley, you need to take over right now. You have a possible tornado on the ground doing damage. You need to be in your safe areas as of this moment. We also have another severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. It's been expanded. 2 active tornado warnings. So this also has now been to a confirmed tornado warning. So if you're in Willow, Greenwood, Longwood, you need to be in cover. Tornado on the ground doing damage. And I found this tornado was spotted about 13 minutes ago. So this is that tornado that is moving to Fairchild. If you're in those areas, you really need to take over. There's that tornado on the ground doing damage. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know where the storm chasers are. The storm chasers are moving way down. They're going all the way down. And we also had this considered severe thunderstorm warning. So 2 active tornado observed tornado warnings that is going on right now. That is that tornado right there that is doing damage. Either that is a tornado or high winds. I'm pretty sure that's a tornado that is causing a lot of damage. That is moving right there. So you got about, let's see. So this was 10 minutes ago. So you got about 8:13. That's hitting right now. There's that cell right there. I need to get this to a high velocity right there. Nope. See if that's really it. But yeah, there's that tornado right there. Right there that's doing amounts of damage, because that is that cell right there. This is a really big, if this goes to PDS tornado, that is going to be so much a problem right now. So this one has got about 15 minutes ago, and then it's going to move to that storm is moving to that Clark, Wisconsin. So about 8:33, it's going to be hitting right here. That includes Willard, Greenwood. You need to get ready to take cover right now. If you're in Tago, you need to take cover right now because you got either a tornado on the ground or excessive high winds that is doing a lot of damage. So you can't really see it. Don't try to go out there and look for it. It is really not worth it. The fatalities are really bad. If you're caught, you'll be dealing with some flying debris, and it's really it's like getting hit by a missile. So it's really not worth it. You really need to be in your safe spot as of this time. that is there is so that right there, that right there is the tornado right here. That is doing a lot of probably a lot of damage as of this time. So. And then we also have a flash flood warning. So good news is that storms will be allowed to expire. We got uh, more severe thunderstorm warnings. So this is another one we have to look at. Possibly after that could be this severe thunderstorm could be producing a tornado as of this moment. As of this moment, and the hail is not that severe. So there's that cell right there. So that is that cell right there that may be producing a tornado as of this moment. So yeah, look at that rain. That is all that raindrop. So of that cell, but this one has the higher probability can produce a tornado as of this time. So for right now. In Oklahoma, there is no storms could be developing a tornado as of this time, but this one is a considerable threat. Except for this one is not considerable. So we got about 2 hours and 42 minutes of that tornado warning to be expired. So far, Texas and Oklahoma have been doing pretty good not having a tornado. Kansas had one not too long ago. And Missouri hasn't had one neither. Yeah, I think did Iowa? Yeah, Iowa did get one too. So right now, we still have that tornado warning that's observed as of this moment. So please still take cover. So I mean, you do have a tornado on the ground. So I'm going to take a little break. I'll be right back. So we have a new tornado warning has been issued for. It's been extended to for Clark, Wisconsin. And we also have a destructive severe thunderstorm warning for. So this is a serious threat. We're talking 7 miles per hour, apple large size of hail for Jackson, Kawa, Gear of Oklahoma. You need to be in your shelters. High winds. The sirens will be sounding are off because this is a very serious warning. So you need to be in your you need to be inside. So this is not really this is not a joke. So this is really like a tornado, but it's not. This is very, very, very serious threat, and if you're caught, you will be hurt, or some threats are very, very high. So please be in your shelters. So this is a very, very serious. If you're caught out there, and get to the lowest floor. So yeah, this is a very. You guys will be severely injured, damaging roofs, siding vehicles, shatter windows, because this is not where this is some apple size of hail. This is more than a softball. So please, be mindful. This will be expiring in 30 minutes. So. It doesn't play. Yeah, I'm probably gonna wrap it up. I have to go to work tomorrow, so I will take a break, and if I'm up for it, I might wake up early and do more of this. So I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.